Hello, good morning guys. Today nagawa ako ng first time kong gumawa nito guys, cupcake. Okay guys? Cupcake. Ang flavor nito guys is apple. Apple tart sana ang gagawin ko guys, kaya lang puro na lang naisipan kong gumawa nito. Cupcake. Yan guys, oh. Ayan. Subukan natin guys, magawa tayo ng baka malay natin guys, no? Mag-business ako ng cupcake. Bili na kayo! Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe my channel, Melda Missiona Vlog. Thank you. Bye bye. I love you all.